Hey guys, so I made this out of a lot of things. This is blue and very slime, like not even activated. So I'm trying to find something to activate this. It doesn't seem to be working yet, see. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's going on in here. Ooh, and there it is. It's a very weird texture. Anyways, if you still haven't subscribed, subscribe. Try to close it because this is a really important video. I'm gonna let this sit for 2 nights. I'm gonna see what happens. So this is really, really good but nasty slime. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight. And if it does well and it forms into slime. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna check it tonight. When I go to bed, I'm gonna check this. Make sure it's doing good, and then I'm gonna add some of the stuff I use. Bye, see you next time.